Hey everybody, I am at 412 G Street Northwest right here in Ardmore, Oklahoma. This place is fully renovated. It is super cute. I love what's going on inside. Let's go check it out. So we are conveniently located close to the downtown area, which is right over there. This is just a super cute house with a single car carport right here too. I love the fresh paint on the outside. Black and white is a super, I like it. It just always looks cute to me. But this place is just adorable. It features 2 living spaces in here. So you've got this front area here, and we do have we have some flooring protection down because you can see they have redone all of the hardwood floors in the house. So they just want to make sure that it's not getting scuffed up for its new owner. But as you walk in, you have this hallway heading down here, which is 3 bedrooms. And then you come into the kitchen space, a second living space. And hiding behind that door right there is a little powder room. So I just love it. Look at this kitchen though. How cute is this? All butcher block countertops in here, freshly done. Nice big sink. I always appreciate that. Dishwasher. Sometimes these older homes don't have the dishwasher, so I totally love that. And then you've got this cute built-in island, which also has the butcher block countertop here. And room for a secondary table as well. So you could be here checking out the game, doing whatever you want to do. I love the idea of being able to just really expand that whole gathering area. Mechanical and a little bit of a pantry, if you will. Over here is a nice little utility room. Plenty of room to hang up clothes, plenty of room to fold laundry, and over here is another little bonus room. So they've had it done up as an office, which I think is a perfect idea, but it is technically a bedroom if you want to use it as one. It's pretty skinny, so you could probably do bunk beds in here if you needed to, but that does bring the total number of bedrooms in this house to 4. So 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath. And then you've got a little side exit here that goes into the side yard and also leads out to the backyard area. Let's check out the bedrooms. All of them have the hardwood floor redone. So here you can really get a much better look at this. This is the real deal, you guys. So this is a floor that you could, if anything happens to it, you could actually sand down and refinish again. All of the closets have been redone with the farmhouse doors. Super deep, lots of room. Another nice size closet here. And then this master it's got a little ensuite. I love it. I love it. This does appear to be a queen size bed in here. Plenty of closet space, you guys. Plenty of closet space. But look at this bathroom. It is so well done. I just love this space. And over here is another closet. So plenty of room if you don't feel there's room in here for a dresser, although you could put one on the wall if you needed to. But plenty of room, plenty of closet space in here. And here is another full bath. So for the 2 bedrooms, the bathtub has been fully tiled. It is not an insert. I always feel like that's a nice added touch, giving it a little bit of a more luxurious feel. This flooring in here would be, I would say it's some form of a laminate plank flooring that they've put down in here, which always makes it super easy to clean. Great for pets, kids, whatever. But this is the little powder room here off of the living space. And look at this backyard, you guys. Huge living room though. This is just a great, great space here. I really love this. So this is a home that does connect to a back alley. So if you don't want to pull in on the street, you do have access through the back alleyway. Well, someone's little dog's down there. But I like the size of the yard. If you're somebody that's looking for very little yard maintenance, this would probably be perfect for you. I really dig the gravel walkways. I'm a fan. All it ever takes is some Roundup to take care of things. And there's plenty of room on this back patio to really put up some lights, put in a little eating area, whatever it is that you'd love to do. This adorable house, I really love sharing it with you guys today. If you are interested in purchasing a home here in the Ardmore area because you're moving to Ardmore, I would love to help you out. If you have any questions about this home or any other home that's currently for sale in my area, just give me a call or text and I'm there for you, and I'll get you set up on a search custom to your needs, and we'll see what we can find special for you. But if you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. It really helps me. Oh my God, I got this fuzzy thing in my armpit. Can't wait to see what that looks like. But if you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out. But if you love this video and want to see this happy, smiling little face every single week, then please be sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. But more importantly, if you're looking for a realtor in the southern Oklahoma area, please give me a shout. Like I said, we'll work on a custom search just for you to suit your needs, whether it's a home like this located right in the heart of Ardmore, or if you're looking for something on a little bit of land on the outskirts of town. I am here to help you. Big shout out to Asha Stevenson for letting me come in here and show this cute home off to you guys. I cannot believe the affordability of this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with 2 living spaces just for you right here in the heart of Ardmore. But until the next time, you guys, bye. Here we have another little bedroom, or let's redo that. So I about fell on my face. And